When it comes to website redesigns, there are a lot of action items in place and decisions that need to be made. From optimizing your copy and organizing your certifications and product information to actually deciding what design represents your company best, it can feel overwhelming. And that's without adding in the technical side of things, like migrating your existing pages and putting redirects in place. So to take away one less stress for you, we're making the very important decision, seriously, very important, of what content management system to use, and that's WordPress. Let me disclose here that we are making no money off of promoting WordPress. We at Thomas have built thousands of websites and have seen and corrected too many websites that are built on bad platforms, and we don't want that to happen to you. If the impressive stat that 30% of all websites are powered by WordPress doesn't convince you to consider it as an option, I'm going to break down 8 reasons why you should. Number 1, WordPress is user-friendly. It comes with easy-to-install templates, and you won't need any HTML experience to make changes once it's launched. Plus, there are millions of tutorials on YouTube if you have any questions. Number 2, better SEO. You're not the only one benefiting from the clean code structure of WordPress. Search engines love it too. The platform is developed in a way that's accessible and continually optimized for algorithms. Number 3, it's free. Maybe I should have led with that. You pay when you need templates or certain plugins, but the original source code for the platform comes at no cost. Number 4, security. If you're worried about the safety of your website, rest assured you're in good hands with WordPress. They even provide a security team at no cost that you can reach out to if you have any questions. Which brings us to number 5. WordPress has multi-user capacity, which is a fancy phrase for you have complete control over you can access your website. Again, we know how important security is to you. Number 6, you can customize the tool to your needs. Templates are great if you want to do it yourself website, but if you're looking to create pages unique to the look, feel, and needs of your business, you can build it from scratch. Number 7, WordPress is mobile friendly. And if you don't know why this is important, check out the links in the description box below. Number 8, there are so many plugins you can use to your advantage to showcase your information, but especially for testimonials, they have fantastic options to help you incorporate quotes and supporting information as a selling tactic to help you reach more buyers. Because essentially, that's what it comes down to, right? You want your business to be an efficient, helpful resource to capture buyers at all stages of their decision process. Your website is your 24/7 salesperson, and with WordPress, you're set up for success. Feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or contact Team Thomas with any further questions.